Mr. Sweet and Sour.
Hello everybody,
Hello.
this is the Sweet and Sour, and today I have someone with me. And the last time you remember, we have a small conversation about her life, and today we have a special video because we're gonna add to the channel another section of art.
So he's talking about nail art. I will show you two different styles that you can actually do with cat eye nail polish.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do that. So what we doing here?
I am preparing the nails. I've got acrylic on my nails, so I have to remove some of it first. Use a neat file, make the process much easier and faster. You have to be very careful with the knee file, because if you accidentally touch your natural nail or the cuticle area, you can do a lot of damage. So you have to be careful with that. You try to make it as smooth as you can when you're taking off the acrylic, so you don't have to correct later on in the process.
So now you're explaining how to remove safely.
Yes, how to remove safely with a knee file, because lots of nail technician staff especially do that mistakes. You have to be very careful. My suggestion is, when you start with a knee file, put it on really low RPMs, so at least you've got control of it, because you can do a lot of damage in just a second. Then you clean the cuticle area, use a pusher, push them down a bit. I always love to cut some off before I use my file to clean them around. It's just better in the end. You get all the dead skin off it. You use your e-file very careful again. You do not want to touch natural nail, just get off what's not supposed to be there. Basically
Dead skin.
dead skin, yes, dried dead skin. I push it again to get anything that I missed. Cut it again. As you can see, there was some pieces I had missed. Clean all the dust off it. And then a very important step is the primer. For acrylic I use Bond acid primer, because it just helps a lot with just bonding the acrylic on the natural nail. You have to be very careful again, because it contains acid, so do not get it on your skin. If you do, straight away wipe it off, rinse the nail, because it will cause irritation at least. Then you just slowly buff the nail. You do not want to do it really rough. Clean it again. Get all the dust off. use a second layer of the primer. And then you start slowly when the primer has dried, your application of the acrylic. I find it easier if I use small balls and I just work around the areas and smooth it out as I go. Don't let it dry because you just have to file too much off. That takes a lot of time. So slowly work around your cuticle area and smooth it all the way to the tip.
Of course, this video is at least 45 minutes. You see a speed up version just to have a good idea what's happening.
Yes, you need a lot of time.
Now what you doing?
I am putting a layer of black gel polish to show you the effect you can do with a cat eye polish. You cure it. And then you use the cat eye polish and just give it a different effect.
Looks amazing. It's not even ready. It looks very nice.
It's a different style of using cat eye. It's just like gives it that little something that nails need. You can see I'm playing around a little bit with a magnet to just give it a little bit of shape so it's nice and sparkly in the middle. Kind of reminds you like a galaxy effect. That's a different way of using the cat eye. Two layers are always better. You just give it a nice even colour everywhere. With one layer you sometimes have like
Look at that.
shadows, and that's
the result.
yeah, it's just like a cat eye smooth one.
And you put
Cuticle oil. Always after doing your nails you need cuticle oil. You need to moisture the nails, not the nails, the area around the nails.
so that's a new thing to learn.
Nail art. I hope you enjoyed our video. It's something different.
I hope you like the video. I hope you like the new idea we have. We're gonna do another episode, a different one again. And thank you for watching. This is the Sweet and Sour. We had a very nice company with us. Zoe, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dave.
And have a great night. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The sweet and sour.